Students, see page number 65. I am reading how participants saw the movement. Now, all of you listen carefully and try to understand. Let us now look at the different social groups that participated in the civil disobedience movement. In this paragraph, we have to understand how the different social groups they participated in the civil disobedience movement. For what reasons? What were their reasons? So that they participated in the movement. Why did they join the movement? We have to understand. Why? What were their ideals? As well as what did Swaraj mean to them? So, different social groups, according to them, the meaning of Swaraj as well as their purpose of joining to the movement also different. So, in this paragraph, we have to read carefully. Now, I am reading this one. Try to understand. In the countryside, in the villages, rich peasant communities, those who were the rich farmers communities, like the Patidars of Gujarat and the Jat of Uttar Pradesh. Now these are the rich peasant communities. Now Patidar and we can say the Jat also, Jat of Uttar Pradesh. Jat, name of the rich peasant communities, were active in the movement. Now, these rich peasant communities, they were actively participated in the civil disobedience movement, being producers of commercial crops. Now, they were we can say the commercial producers, means for earning they cultivated. They were very hard hit by the trade depression and falling prices. They were badly affected because of the depression, trade depression, as well as the reducing price. As their cash income disappeared and their earning source also as well as their we can say the whatever they wanted to earn, so that was reduced. They found it impossible to pay the government's revenue demand, so they were unable to pay government's revenue. They could not pay revenue because of the all we can say the trade depression as well as the reducing price. The refusal of the government to reduce the revenue. Now they requested to government to cancel revenue, but their demands also refused. So the refusal of government to reduce the revenue demand, it led to widespread resentment. Resentment means displeasure. So they were not, we can say the displeasure, not happy because of they were not satisfied because of the government whatever they took decision. These rich peasants became enthusiastic supporters of the civil disobedience movement. So they actively, enthusiastic means excited, actively they supported to the civil disobedience movement, organizing their communities. They organized their communities, their people together, and at times forcing reluctant means unwilling members, means those who, we can say, their opponent, so they start to boycott them, and they gathered their communities members, and why, to participate in the boycott programs. For them, the fight for Swaraj was a struggle against high revenues. So, students, here we can understand each group means different group, social groups participate in civil disobedience movement, but their purpose, their aim was different from each other. So, those were the rich peasant communities, so their aim to participate in a civil disobedient movement, that was as well as the meaning of Swaraj. It meant struggle against high revenues. They wanted to reduce revenues, but they were deeply disappointed when the movement was called off in 1931 without the revenue rates being revised. But when in 1931, when Mahatma Gandhi ji called off, means Mahatma Gandhi ji took back this movement. That time, so these rich peasant communities, they became unhappy because of they wanted to they joined in the movement to reduce revenue without the revenue rates being revised, without change, without reducing. So movement already stopped, so that they became unhappy. So when the movement was restarted in 1932, many of them refused to participate. So when Mahatma Gandhi ji started this movement in 1932, so that time, so these peasants, they refused to participate, means they were not ready to join in such a movement. Now remaining paragraph in next clip.